How to describe unpleasant smell in English. The garbage bin reeks. The garbage bin reeks. The old meat in the fridge smells rank. The old meat in the fridge smells rank. The sneakers have a funky odor. The sneakers have a funky odor. The basement has a fusty smell. The basement has a fusty smell. The wet dog left a punched smell in the car. The wet dog left a punched smell in the car. There is a musty odor in the room. There is a musty odor in the room. The unwashed socks give off a rancid smell. The unwashed socks give off a rancid smell. The kitchen sink smells putrid. The kitchen sink smells putrid. The old carpet has a stagnant odor. The old carpet has a stagnant odor. The dead animal had a malodorous scent. The dead animal had a malodorous scent. The fetid scent of the rotting fruit attracted flies. The fetid scent of the rotting fruit attracted flies. The old textbooks had a frosty odor. The old textbooks had a frosty odor. The mephitic fumes from the machine made their throats burn. The mephitic fumes from the machine made their throats burn. The noisome smell of rotten eggs filled the room. The noisome smell of rotten eggs filled the room. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.